Hey everyone, I'm Efe, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to properly set up SEO on your WordPress site using some great tools. Let's jump right into it. The first thing we need to do is download the necessary plugins, specifically SEO plugins, to get everything running smoothly. For this tutorial I'm going to use RankMath SEO, but if you prefer you can also go with Yoast SEO. It's other available options for WordPress. RankMath SEO, which we'll be focusing on today, is an excellent tool that's highly effective for WordPress SEO optimization. Once you have installed it, just go ahead and click the active button and get started. RankMath SEO comes with a really handy setup wizard that will guide you through the process step by step. With this wizard, you can easily configure all your SEO settings without much effort, making it very beginner friendly. Is a super straightforward process. All you need to do is start the wizard and complete each step as it guides you through the necessary settings. While it's simple to use, I won't go over it again in detail right now. Instead, let's explore some of the important tools within RankMath and discuss what's essential for optimizing your WordPress website. One of the key element for your site is a sitemap, which plays a critical role in your website SEO. The reason for this is that Google's bots or robots use your sitemaps to properly index the content on your site. Think of the sitemap as a roadmap that helps Google's bot navigate and understand the structure of your website. Make sure it's enabled, and if you're running an online store, you will also want to activate the WooCommerce settings for SEO purpose. This is very important for e-commerce sites, but since I'm not selling anything on website, I won't be enabling it here. There are plenty of other features in RankMath that can incredibly useful for optimizing your site. For example, make sure to enable analytics, as this will allow you to track your website's performance and metrics, which are key for growth. Another great tool is instant indexing. When you're publishing blogs or articles, they don't always appear in Google search results right away, but this feature helps speed up the process significantly. It ensures that your content gets indexed on Google as quickly as possible, which is essential for visibility. Indexing means that your site will show up Google search result when someone searches for relevant keywords. For example, when someone searches for something, your website will be on of the result that appear. That's essentially what indexing is, getting your content Google's radar. Another critical feature is image SEO. You should definitely enable it to optimize your image for search engines. If you run a local business like a real estate agency, you should also activate local SEO settings to target customers in your specific area. These settings can be easily copied and applied to your own website, helping your its SEO. Now I would like to show you another helpful features in those who write articles. If you're a blogger, RankMath has plenty of tools that significantly improve your content SEO. Let's take a look at one of your blog posts to see how these tools provide feedback and suggestions. For example, when you write a new article, RankMath will give you insights on how we optimized your content is based on your SEO score. You can scroll down and check the recommendation then make adjustment to improve your SEO score. One common suggestion is to include your focus keywords in the SEO title. Let's say we're writing an article called Hello World. Your focus keyword will be Hello World. You will enter the keywords, and RankMath will analyze your content accordingly. The tool will suggest improvement for your SEO, helping you optimize your content even further. The suggestion will help you rank higher in search engines and attract more visitors to your website. While you are writing, it's also a good idea to use Google Trends. These tools can help you stay on top of the latest trends in your country or niche. By following trends, you can create a content that's more relevant and likely to attract more readers or customers. This makes Google Trends a highly valuable tool when you're planning your blog posts or articles. Another great tool to use is the Google Search Console. It's essential for ensuring that your site gets properly indexed on Google. For instance, you will need to submit your website to Google's index through Search Console to make sure it appears its search result. Likely, RankMath makes this process easy by offering seamless integration with Google Search Console. All you need to do is link your RankMath account to Search Console and join the analytics section. From there, you can connect your RankMath account with just a few clicks. The best part is you don't need to pay for this service. Just create a free RankMath account and connect it to Google Search Console with one simple click. You can even track your page directly from here. Google Analytics is another useful tool and RankMath offers easy access to it. Beginners will find this tool incredibly helpful for improving their SEO. By using them, you will be able to boost your ranking and potentially increase your sales over time. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this tutorial was useful, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.